Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. CryptoSnake is here, and today we're going to talk about a fascinating topic in the world of cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin Lightning Network. If you're interested in Bitcoin and want to know how it's evolving to become faster and more scalable, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. So what is the Bitcoin Lightning Network? The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a second-layer solution built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. It is designed to address some of the scalability issues that Bitcoin faces, such as slow transaction times and high transaction fees. As you may know, Bitcoin transactions are processed on the blockchain, which can sometimes result in congestion and delays, especially during peak times. Moreover, transaction fees can vary greatly, making small transactions less practical. That's where the Lightning Network comes in. The Lightning Network is a decentralized network of payment channels that allows users to transact with each other directly off-chain without having to go through the main blockchain. Users can create private payment channels between themselves, and these channels can be used to send and receive Bitcoin transactions instantly and with very low fees. One of the main advantages of the Lightning Network is that it enables faster transactions. Since transactions occur off-chain, they are not subject to the congestion of the main blockchain, and they can be processed instantly. This makes the Lightning Network ideal for small, frequent transactions such as buying a cup of coffee or paying for online services. Now, you might be wondering about the security of the Lightning Network. Well, each Lightning Network transaction is secured by the underlying Bitcoin blockchain. When a payment channel is opened, a smart contract is created on the blockchain, which locks up a certain amount of Bitcoin. This smart contract ensures that both parties can only access their respective shares of the locked up Bitcoin, and any attempt to cheat or manipulate the system will result in penalties. And what about the current adoption and future potential of the Lightning Network? Well, the Lightning Network is still in its early stages, but it's gaining momentum. As of now, there are thousands of active nodes and payment channels on the Lightning Network, and it's being adopted by various merchants and service providers. In the future, we could see more widespread adoption of the Lightning Network, which could make Bitcoin even more practical for everyday transactions and help solve some of the scalability challenges it faces. And that's it for today. I hope you found it informative and interesting. Also guys, I invite everyone to join me at the biggest Bitcoin conference, Bitcoin 2023 in Miami, from May 18th to the 20th. This is a great opportunity to meet the community and industry leaders, and of course learn more about Bitcoin and how it evolves. Hodl strong, my friends. I'll see you later.